Welcome to my channel. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine takes one of the most iconic SUVs in the world and transforms it into a vehicle of pure prestige, designed for those who want the rugged DNA of a Land Cruiser but with an unmatched level of elegance and exclusivity. Toyota is pushing boundaries by merging off-road dominance with limousine luxury, giving us a vehicle that redefines comfort, capability, and performance all in one package. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed all the details yet, the available information and insider predictions suggest that the limousine variant will retain the classic Land Cruiser reliability but with an extended wheelbase, enhanced interiors, and a whole new personality aimed at elite buyers. Powering the 2026 Land Cruiser lineup is a robust 2.4-liter turbo hybrid engine that produces an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 Nm of torque. However, industry insiders believe the limousine variant could offer a choice between this hybrid powertrain and a more powerful petrol hybrid V6, rumored to deliver up to 457 horsepower. That means the limo could glide effortlessly on highways while still maintaining the raw muscle needed for Toyota's signature off-road performance. An 8-speed automatic transmission combined with Toyota's advanced full-time four-wheel drive system ensures that even with its extended body, the limousine won't compromise on capability or stability. In terms of performance, this limousine is expected to surprise a lot of people. Despite its size and weight, initial testing estimates suggest it could achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 7.5 to 8 seconds with the hybrid V6 option, while maintaining a governed top speed of approximately 110 miles per hour. Engineers are working on optimizing aerodynamics for smoother highway cruising, making it quieter and more efficient than any Land Cruiser variant before. Paired with a refined suspension system and Toyota's cutting-edge stability control, the limo promises a drive that feels as smooth as a luxury sedan, even when navigating rough terrains. Inside the 2026 Land Cruiser Limousine, Toyota plans to deliver an experience that rivals some of the most premium luxury brands in the market. Expect handcrafted leather seats, extended legroom, reclining rear loungers, and customizable ambient lighting to create a private and serene cabin. A rear executive package is rumored to include powered ottomans, premium wood trims, and even a champagne cooler. Multiple large infotainment screens, wireless device charging, and AI-powered voice control will ensure passengers remain entertained and connected throughout their journey. Technology plays a central role in this model. Toyota is integrating its latest generation infotainment system featuring a 15-inch central touchscreen and a fully digital 12-inch driver's display. High-speed connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in streaming services are expected as standard. Rear passengers may also have access to individual 13-inch touch displays with integrated wireless headphones for personalized entertainment. The limo will likely come with an advanced JBL or Mark Levinson surround sound system designed to transform the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Toyota is also focusing heavily on safety, making this one of the most secure luxury vehicles on the road. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the limousine will feature adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and automatic emergency braking. Advanced driver assistance systems like 3D surround view cameras and automatic parking assist will make handling a vehicle of this size much easier. In addition, reinforced body structures and advanced airbags provide maximum passenger protection, giving owners peace of mind no matter where they travel. For those concerned about off-road capability, the Land Cruiser DNA is fully intact. The limousine is expected to retain Toyota's legendary multi-terrain select system, locking differentials, crawl control, and hill descent assistance. Paired with a reinforced chassis and upgraded suspension, this vehicle can still handle sand dunes, rocky paths, and steep mountain trails with remarkable ease. While it offers first-class comfort inside, it remains a true Land Cruiser underneath, ready to go places most luxury limousines would never dare. Fuel efficiency has also been optimized thanks to the hybrid powertrains. The standard 2.4-liter turbo hybrid is expected to deliver around 22 to 25 mpg combined, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size and capability. The limousine's larger frame may see slightly lower numbers, but Toyota's hybrid technology ensures better fuel economy than traditional V8-powered competitors. For regions moving towards sustainability, there are also whispers of a possible plug-in hybrid variant in the future, allowing owners to enjoy short all-electric drives in urban environments. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine is expected to start around $90,000 and could easily climb beyond $120,000 depending on customization and special packages. Considering its mix of premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and Toyota's proven reliability, this pricing positions it competitively against rivals like the Mercedes Maybach GLS, Cadillac Escalade ESV, and Range Rover SV Autobiography. Toyota is aiming to capture a unique audience here, buyers who want elite luxury but refuse to compromise on durability and off-road confidence. As for the release timeline, Toyota is expected to showcase a pre-production prototype by early 2025, with full production models becoming available globally by mid to late 2026. Specific markets like the Middle East, the US, and Australia are likely to get priority due to high demand for premium Land Cruiser variants. Pre-orders are expected to open shortly after the official reveal, and early reports indicate that demand could outpace supply in the first year. Ultimately, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine isn't just another luxury SUV, it represents a new chapter for Toyota. By combining limousine-level comfort with Land Cruiser toughness, it offers something no other manufacturer has quite achieved. Whether it's chauffeuring executives through busy city streets or transporting VIPs across challenging terrains, this vehicle promises unmatched versatility. It's a bold step forward for Toyota, one that could set a new standard in the ultra-luxury off-road segment. If you are looking for a vehicle that makes a powerful statement, delivers a serene luxury experience, and still has the heart of an off-road warrior, the Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine 2026 might just be the perfect choice. It blends status, capability, and modern innovation into a single masterpiece that truly stands out from the crowd. With its upcoming release, it is set to redefine what a luxury limousine SUV should be.